All right, guys, I love to show you guys products, and this one is a cool one my brother gave me. So you load your 5.56 or 223s up top, and I saved the trouble of showing you guys that. And then you'll put the mag right down here, and it's good. And then you'll just use this lever, and you'll just start loading it one by one. It's pretty gnarly. And then I'm not gonna fill the mag up because we don't need a full mag for training purposes, but it just makes it so much easier, so you're just not constantly trying to, I don't know. It's definitely an extra, and it's not a necessity, but it's cool to have. So I wanted to show you guys just a quicker reload, save those thumbs.